Hello, my name is Roger. I'm the product promoter for technical chemicals at Wurth. Today I'm with Wurth Australia and I would like to introduce you the new range of plastic adhesives Replast ME. Replast ME comes in three different application speeds. The first one is coming with an open time of 30 seconds and is sandable after 5 minutes. The second one is coming with an open time of 90 seconds and is sandable after 10 minutes. And the third one is coming with an open time of 210 seconds and is sandable after 30 minutes. To applicate those products, they are equipped with two mixing heads, which are exactly designed to obtain the right mixing ratio. And of course, you would need a dedicated gun to actually apply the products in the right way. You just stick it into that gun, close the gun, and then it's almost ready to work. You open the cartridge and would attach one of these mixing heads, and then you are almost ready to go. Replast ME is the ideal set of adhesives for plastic repair. Plastic repairs, for example, on bumpers, mirrors, cockpit parts, motorcycle parts, and so on. As you have heard, the product is actually easy to be applied, is sandable after a very short time, and also can be overpainted readily after the application. Replast ME, the product you need for all your plastic repairs in your workshop. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Wurth Australia or leave them in the comments. Replast ME, ready for work.